Hi, this is Jerry with Hot Wheels Out of Control. We got another video for you. We got a couple boxes to unbox today. Got them here this week. So let's get them opened up and see what's inside. There it is. That's an early edition, early model, actually 1979, 1980 Hot Ones. This is the first year the Hot Ones came out. You know this from the Hot Wheels logo here. That's the very first one, had the little explosion. So let's open this guy up, take a look at it. Get that painter's tape off, perfect. This is how you want these wrapped when you get them. It keeps the car from busting through the blister. Make sure that you tell sellers, hey, please wrap my cars. These older cars are very, very delicate. This car is how old? Well, it's 45 years old. And like I said, it is the first Hot Ones packaging. Right there, the Hot Bird. Notice the gold wheels right here. That shows you that it is a Hot Ones vehicle. Put it back in the blister right here. There was even earlier Hot Birds prior to this. Here's an earlier version of a Hot Bird. This is actually an early package from 1979. Actually, just about the same year, but the difference of this one and the other one is, of course, the gold wheels for the Hot Bird for the Hot Ones. Same car, different wheels, pretty much the same year, different packaging. Again, we got just the chrome wheels here. And I had a video earlier, if you look back in my videos, you can see some of my other Hot Birds. The next Hot Ones came out with this blister, with the Hot Ones in red. They did away with the explosion. This is a 1981-82 casting. So that's the difference. We'll hold this one up. We got it in the blister, but those are both Hot Ones. Same car, different year, different packaging. Same wheels. We're going to leave these up here for now. Also 1979, 1980, the very elusive Hot Bird in blue. This is a rare, rare car, folks. Very, very rare. Same as this one. Of course, this one has a different backing on it. Same blister on the front. But again, this blue Hot Bird is one of the rarest Hot Birds. This one probably sells in this blister maybe for about $1,000. $700 to $1,000. But I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with the one that's even more rare than this. I'm going to show it to you right now. That's a hard casting to find. The Hot Bird in brown, 1979, 1980, same package. It's got the Gremlin grinder right here, if you guys are familiar. And there's a Hot Bird back here on the packaging. Look at there. So there's your Hot Birds. All of these, of course, have the chrome wheels, but various variations. Very hard to find. And then we move into the Hot Ones. Now the final Hot Ones was this car in this kind of packaging. Same car again, Hot Bird. This one came out 82, 83. So we're looking at a span of 1979, 1980 to 1983. So there they are, your different packaging. Oldest, early 90s, early 80s, newest. And this was about the last packaging that they had for the Hot Ones. Some of the reproduction cars of today, Hot Ones, use this same packaging here. You guys have probably seen those. But this is an original from 1982. And when you have really cool cars, you got to display them cool. This is a 4-car display. These are hard to find. Put all 4 cars in there. And I like to end them up with the 70s knee streeter patches. Right there, I like to put those in the package too, just to add a little bit of coolness to it. Those patches are actually pretty expensive and hard to find. But you can find them on eBay. The one on the right, a little bit ruffled, one on the left, almost perfect. A Hotbird. And there you have it. It makes a really, really cool display. Gonna hang it back on the wall where it goes. Hotbirds. The value of those together, you're probably looking at close to $4,000 for that little set of 4 cars right there. This is Jerry. Hot Wheels Out of Control.